Below, we got the new set, Paldea Evolve. Wrong thing. But I will open those things randomly in the video. Randomly. So Paldea Evolve just kind of released. I don't actually know when it released. I think it was kind of recent. I don't know, fuckers. We're gonna pull something crazy. I'm already calling it. I'm not talking about the Pokemon. We get fucking ass luck on this channel. I don't know how to open these things. Stupid bitch. Oh yeah, you want a code card for like a really stupid promo? Hold on, look at this fucking thing. It looks like your fucking granny. You fucking child. We're gonna shoot for the orphan or the cripple on those things. I don't care. I'm talking to myself again. I mean, that's what I do, pretty much. I just sit here, wait for you guys to like fucking say something in the comments, but all I get was like, wow, why is bro so pressed? You wanna know why I'm pressed? Because I can't open these fucking packs. Oh guys, God Pool. We're gonna open up like 2 and then we'll get to the minifig. Oh, you want the Magikarp, Slowpoke, Letleo, space, Choice Belt, Pikachu, Wigglytuff. She's, I can't say that, that's an animal. Anyways, dude, what the fuck? I can't, these stupid fucking birds. You know, I'm like the Poke God. We've been pulling some cool shit. What the fuck? Mario. Starter. Oh, we kind of pulled ahead. Pepper. I like this Pokemon. You guys want a code? I think you already saw it though. All right, after this pack, you know what time it is. We're gonna do what you guys all clicked on here for. See, last video you guys clicked on a booster box thing. Everybody hated that. What the fuck did I do? You want to know what I did? I made content. Good reason. God damn it. You know what? We're shooting for the orphan. Alright, ready? Blind spill. Who the fuck? Look at that. Koala Man. Let's see what our chances are. I got a knife. Let's see what our chances are. I can't even fucking do things with a knife. That's how useless I am. I want him. No, we want the orphan. Next pack. Looking on the right side of me, I don't wanna do everything on me. I guess I don't know. Rockruff, Palmy, Larvitar, Sandygast, Corville Knight, Tauros, Great Balls, Superior Energy, a nice looking Gyarados, and nothing. Absolute shit. We are like, dude, these packs are like so fucking heated, man. So I'm actually kind of sick right now. Sick of your bullshit. What if I give you guys the code first? Mankey, Dollbird, Super Rod, Love This, Talonflame, Great Balls. If we don't pull a single fucking thing, I'm gonna be pissed. Yeah, we got that Snover. Fletchling, Voltorb. Shit. We're getting nothing. Oh. Where the fuck is Fat Lard? I haven't seen that guy in a while. I can't find Fat Lard. I'm gonna go find him. Alright, we're back and I found his bitch ass. We put Fat Lard right here. He's gonna give us luck. That's the only reason why we don't get lucky. It's because Fat Lard's not here. Fucking piece of shit. Alright. I'm gonna kill him. No, I love Fat Lard. He's a bitch, though. Alright, next bag. I hate this! Winkle. Just fucking did it again. These like shiny borders get me off guard, man. And I got fucking nothing. You know what? I don't even know what the pools are in this fucking series. Scarlet and Violet is so like easy. And just like I get everything right to me. There's like nothing I gotta worry about. I just... What the fuck? Oh! Hold on. This is upside down. You can't do that. We finally got something, and it's probably like the shittiest thing in here. But that was upside down. What the fuck? Pokemon, get your shit together, man. Get your shit. What the fuck, man? Get your shit together. Fat Lard, you are a blessing. I was thinking about stabbing that pack, too. Oh my god. I can't get my sleeve thing. Okay, we're gonna keep it open. Do they do rainbow rares anymore? I don't know that they do. I'm going to clickbait this video. I'm gonna say I opened up 30,000. Did I even give you the code? That's what you fucking scavengers get. Oh, I forgot to say the words. Honk Crow, Skidawood. Whoa. Don't know you. Wigglytuff. And holy shit. I brutalized my cards because I have duplicates. Don't worry guys, I'm not doing this just for you. I just don't really give a shit. I'm not putting on an act. I just don't give a shit about Pokemon cards. Like how some of you... What the fuck did I just do? Reversal energy. I don't know, those look kind of weird. Oh. Oh! Oh! My lord! The last pack! Holy shit! You know, now I like Pokemon. We got... Oh my god! We got this fucking sick looking Magikarp. I can't put it in the fucking thing. Fucking sick looking Magikarp. And a DIDNT EX Crystal Meth Terra version. That's a full art right there. Full art Magikarp. Gotta scrounge around just to make sure I didn't miss any packs. Thank you, Fat Lard! For the hospitality, you sick son of a bitch. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. Fucking minifigures. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of this video. I thank you for clicking on this stupid fucking shit. Alright, have a nice day, you fucktards.